Hey everybody! Today marks the release of the beta edition of Construct 3 with its open public beta testing. You can check out Construct 3 now with limitations and get an idea of how everything will work. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the new features that are available to us in the beta. In the future, I'll be making tutorials for Construct 3 after the beta is over and the finished version is out. The Construct 3 public beta period begins today, March 28th, and lasts until May 21st, or 8 weeks from now. For now, I'd like to take a look at the new stuff that's been introduced in the beta. First off, unlike Construct 2, which was a standalone piece of software, Construct 3 only runs in the Chrome browser. All you need to do to participate in the open beta is go to editor.construct.net. Construct.net will be the new website for the software, and it's where you'll be able to purchase a license and get any new information about the engine. To get Construct 3 to work properly, you must be using the Chrome browser, and it must be updated to the latest available version. It's also important to remember that this is a public beta, meaning that there are bugs and limitations, as well as features that may be outright changed by the time the final release comes out. This is the new Construct 3 interface, with the Start page opened. From here, we can start a new project, or open an old project saved in the cloud, the browser, or from a file on your computer. On the left, we have links to demos, templates, and examples, although most, if not all of these, were available in Construct 2. All Construct 2 projects will be compatible with Construct 3, and you can open them up and begin editing them in Construct 3 right away. I'll go ahead and open up this first project, Kiwi Story. The first thing you'll notice is this big warning. This project exceeds the free edition limits. Some features will be unavailable. With Construct 2, the free edition lets you use up to 100 events. However, with Construct 3, that has been scaled way back to only 40 events. So you're going to really need to use these events wisely, or else you're going to hit that limit pretty quick. Since Construct 3 only runs in the Chrome browser, it can be used across a wide variety of platforms, such as PC, Mac, Linux, Chromebooks, or even on an Android mobile device. So, if you wanted to, you could program your next game on your smartphone. Why you would want to, who knows. Construct 3 also saves its projects to the cloud, so you can load up your work wherever you are. You could work on a project at home on your PC, and later, while you're away from home, you could grab your phone or tablet and load the project from the cloud, get some work done, and save your results back to the cloud. This lets you easily load projects between devices and allows for much easier collaboration between a team of developers. The best new feature of Construct 3 would have to be the mobile app build service. With the mobile app build service, you'll be able to export your project to the build service and have an iOS or Android app built for you. With Construct 2, this was much more difficult to do and relied on third-party services that didn't always work how you expected them to. I do have a tip for you guys if you're just getting started and the Construct 3 interface isn't showing the properties panels and the toolbars. Just go to Menu and then Settings. From here, change the UI mode from Automatic or Mobile to Desktop and click Reset Layout. When you try to close the settings window, it will tell you to restart Construct 3 for the changes to take effect. When I do, the Properties, Project, and Layers windows are all restored. This may be a bug that's fixed in future versions, but I had to switch to Desktop to get it working correctly, so it may be useful to you guys right now. Let me know what you guys think of this new version of Construct. If you see any features that you find particularly useful, or if you notice anything about it you don't like, leave a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching.